Action.
Hi, you're watching Miss Malini halftime report. Halftime for what?
I don't know. That's what Malini said, and that's what we are supposed to say.
That's what she said.
But we are watching the Brazil versus Colombia game, and perhaps Brazil are on their path to making it to the semi-finals. That's just Naushad with the vuvuzela. He's 4 years too late. He's 4 years too late. He's very late.
So what do you
late?
What do you think about the France-Germany game?
I didn't think much about it, but Germany won.
So yeah.
And let's go back to real football, which is Brazil versus Colombia. And Brazil, like we all know, is the mecca of football, and all the neutrals are supporting Brazil. And Ashwin, I love how you are contributing to this video. And
I am because you're not giving me a chance to speak.
Okay. So I'm just gonna shut up because I got chutzpah and you don't.
So anyhow, basically Brazil scored first.
And I think that's going to be the only goal in the game.
Yeah. And the umpire's been doing damn well as well.
It's called referee.
It's called referee, yeah. Sorry, yeah.
So obviously we pretended to be footballing experts, but he said umpire and I lost it at that.
Yeah, totally.
But we are at Miss Malini's house shooting for Miss Malini on something that comes once in every 4 years, which is the
which is when you get interviewed.
When I get interviewed,
because you know you've not been on for ages. Yes.
I got hair, bro. Yeah, I got hair.
Well, I've got hair as well.
No, all my hair.
Oh, I've got hair in other places.
You want me mean to me?
No, yeah. So, who do you think Holland will win tonight?
Who is Holland? This is Brazil versus Colombia. What part of this program have you not followed?
It's really, really confusing.
Yeah, I'm saying Brazil is gonna win it 2-0.
He keeps saying Brazil is going to win it.
Brazil!
Like, you know, like he's from Portugal. Yeah.
Like I'm from Portugal.
Yeah.
Where are you? You're from Goa, which almost makes you Portuguese.
Santa Cruz West.
No, he's from Santa Cruz West, which also almost makes him Portuguese. So I'm gonna say bye now.
But I want James to score. I don't care.
Who is James? James.
Yeah, that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
The J is silent.
Yeah. Okay. Malini is giving us directions. We have to hang up right now, but we're coming back in 45 minutes.
Yeah.
And maybe it's gonna be Brazil. Maybe it's gonna be Colombia. We don't know.
We don't know.
Germany is waiting.
But yeah, Deutschland is waiting. Yeah.
Yeah. And I have more chutzpah than you.
Bye.